Installing new windows in your home can be a transformative upgrade, improving both the aesthetics and energy efficiency of your property. However, it's easy to make mistakes during the installation process that can cost you time, money, and frustration in the long run. In Bartow, where the climate can fluctuate between hot summers and cool winters, making sure your windows are properly installed is crucial for maintaining comfort and energy savings. To ensure your window installation project is a success, here are some common mistakes to avoid. Choosing the wrong type of windows. One of the most critical decisions when installing windows is selecting the right type for your home. Each window type offers different benefits depending on factors like energy efficiency, style, and durability. For example, vinyl windows are popular for their low maintenance and insulation properties, while wood-framed windows can be a great option for historical homes. In Bartow's hot and humid climate, you'll want to avoid windows that do not provide adequate UV protection or insulation. Make sure to consult with professionals who understand the local climate to select windows that will keep your home cool during summer and warm during winter. Improper window sizing. A common mistake that homeowners make during window installation is not measuring the window openings accurately. If the new windows are too small or too large for the openings, the installation will be more complicated and might result in gaps that compromise the insulation of your home. Proper measurements are crucial for ensuring that your windows fit correctly and securely. Inaccurate sizing can also cause issues with the window's operation, such as difficulty opening and closing the window properly. Neglecting proper weatherproofing. Bartow's weather can be unpredictable, with rainstorms and high humidity levels. If your windows are not properly sealed and weatherproofed, water can seep in, leading to mold growth, rotting, and increased energy costs. Be sure to install weather stripping around the edges of the window frame and use caulk to seal any gaps. Additionally, make sure the flashing is installed correctly around the window to redirect water away from the building. Skipping this step or doing it improperly can lead to serious long-term damage to your home. Failing to consider energy efficiency. When installing windows, it's essential to think about their energy efficiency. Poor insulation can lead to higher energy bills as your heating and cooling systems work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Look for windows with low emissivity, low E coatings and double or triple glazing, which help reduce heat transfer. In Bartow, with its warm summers, choosing windows with proper insulation can keep the heat outside while also preventing your cool air from escaping. Failing to consider energy-efficient windows is not only costly but also bad for the environment. Inadequate installation. Even if you've chosen the best windows for your home, improper installation can still lead to a variety of problems, including poor performance and costly repairs. Installing windows requires skill and precision, and it's often a job best left to professionals who have the right tools and experience. Common installation errors include failing to level the window frame, not ensuring a tight fit, or damaging the window during installation. If not properly installed, your windows might not perform as expected, leading to drafts, water leaks, and even structural damage over time. Not planning for future maintenance. Windows, like any part of your home, require regular maintenance to perform optimally. Failing to plan for upkeep, such as checking seals and cleaning windows, can reduce their lifespan and efficiency. Keep in mind that some window types require more maintenance than others. For instance, wood-framed windows might need periodic sealing or repainting, while vinyl windows are relatively low maintenance. Understanding the upkeep needs of your window material will help you avoid additional costs in the future. Ignoring local building code. Every area has specific building codes that must be followed during construction or renovation projects, and Bartow is no exception. Many homeowners make the mistake of ignoring local regulations when installing windows, thinking they can get away with it. However, failing to comply with these codes could result in fines or require you to redo the work, which is both costly and time-consuming. Be sure to check with local authorities or consult a professional installer to ensure your window installation meets all necessary requirements. Conclusion. Proper window installation is a critical investment that can enhance your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. By avoiding these common mistakes, such as choosing the wrong type of windows, neglecting weatherproofing, or making installation errors, you can ensure that your windows provide the benefits you expect for years to come. Whether you're upgrading your existing windows or installing new ones, taking the time to get it right will pay off in the long run.